Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix LDPlayer Crash Issues. Full Guide 2026, so you can stop sudden emulator crashes and enjoy stable gameplay on your PC. First, open LDPlayer and go to Settings. Inside the Performance tab, adjust CPU and RAM allocation properly. Avoid setting resources too high or too low. For most systems, 4 CPU cores and 4 GB RAM provide stable performance. Next, switch to Graphics Settings. Select OpenGL mode first. If LDPlayer keeps crashing, change to DirectX and restart the emulator to test stability. Now check virtualization. Open Task Manager, go to Performance, and confirm virtualization is enabled. If it's disabled, enable it from BIOS because LDPlayer may crash frequently without virtualization support. After that, update LDPlayer to the latest version. Older versions often contain bugs that cause crashes during gameplay or startup. Then update your graphics drivers from the official GPU software. Outdated drivers are a common reason for emulator crashes. Next, clear temporary files. Open LDPlayer settings and use the disk cleanup or cache cleanup option to remove unnecessary data. Also close background applications like browsers or heavy software that may conflict with LDPlayer resources. If crashes still happen, try lowering in-game graphics settings and disabling extra visual effects to reduce system load. Finally, restart your PC after applying all changes to refresh system processes. And that's it. LDPlayer should now run more stable without crashing. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more PC fix tutorials. Thanks for watching.